In this video, I'm highlighting 3 chapters from Austin Kleon's book, Show Your Work, so that you can steal them and put them into your work today. As you're launching your course, your digital products, your business, your podcast, there is a plethora of gold, of magic content that is right in front of you that you can capture. There's plenty of opportunities for you to create deep connection with your audience. Let's take Eamon Bec. They're 2 of my favorite YouTubers and entrepreneurs. They document their journey as they live out of their camper van, as they renovate cabins, as they run their thriving tea business. In one of the episodes on their YouTube channel, they show the behind the scenes, the making of a cookbook. It's a great example of Austin Kleon's ideas in action. So I'm going to use that to highlight 3 of the chapters from Austin Kleon's book, Show Your Work. First, you don't have to be a genius. Everyone thinks in order to share, we have to be experts. We have to be perfect. Everything has to be right. But in this video, they are showing the process of them testing out one of their recipes. And it's not perfect. It's not right. It's actually far from it at the beginning. Nowhere in it do they say, we have all the answers. They simply say, we're figuring it out and we're going to show you how we do it. It's also clear as he's figuring it out that he's really trying to come up with a recipe that is going to change your life. And I buy into the idea because I buy into his enthusiasm around it. As I'm watching, I'm cheering for him to find something that works because you can see how passionate he is. Austin Kleon says to think process, not product. If Eamon Bec thought product first, all we'd see is the photoshopped finished version of the cookbook. Well, that's boring. Instead, they brought us into the kitchen with them. We were part of the production. They even vlogged their experience going to a thrift shop, trying to save money on props. I love it. I could be one of them. You can tell it's not, this isn't Rachel Ray, right? You would never see Rachel Ray doing that. But this feels like your friends. This feels like people that, you might as well be in the scene with them. And that makes you cheer for them even more. One of my favorite chapters from Austin Kleon's book is teach what you know. Teach what you know. We all know something. Eamon Bec, they teach what they're learning in the process of making this cookbook. They show their workaround for getting photos with better lighting. They break down their workflow for the creation of each recipe. They even show us that less is more when it comes to garnishing the plate for photography. And these are all tips. These are all insights that anyone can steal directly from them if we're making our own digital product. They're giving us this valuable information so we don't have to go through the process and mess up ourselves. And this provides tremendous value before I even buy a thing. And my favorite shot from the video is when they're in the parking lot and they're number one, they're taking photos of the tacos on the ground in the parking lot. I know Bobby Flay's not doing that. Now, the best part about it is some random guy walks by during the shoot and they give the tacos to this dude. It was such a sweet moment. It's like they're making this, they bring this guy into the thing. You want to get behind what they're doing, especially in little moments like that where they show their true personality. I just think it's gold. It says so much about who Eamon Bec are. It's everything that doesn't happen when some big celebrity with some big publishing company comes through with a big budget and slaps their name on the front of a bunch of random recipes and says it's their cookbook just to sell copies. And I'm not a vegan, but I bought the cookbook because obviously they sold me, because I know that whether it's this product or something they make in the future, I can get behind it because of the heart and the attention and the enthusiasm that they put into this. I know that they're probably putting it into their other products. By sharing our process, we allow for the possibility of people having an ongoing connection with us and our work, which helps us move more product. So when you're launching your app or creating a song or building a new gym, how can you show the process? This is one of the best ways to connect with the right people. Not just people, the right people, because it's going to show your voice, your tone, your style. So it's going to attract like-minded individuals to your brand. That product's just one product. But if I buy into your way of thinking, I'm likely to buy into anything that you make, any product that you make in the future. And that is how you sell without selling. So go check out Austin Kleon's book, Show Your Work. It's gold. Check out Eamon Bec's YouTube channel. It's also gold. They're one of my favorite YouTubers. And yeah, if you have an idea, don't just sit there and talk about it. Show the process. Learn out loud. Inspire action through action. And of course, put the camera on your face. Everyone has creative power. And I think that in this new passion creator economy, you have the opportunity. You have an opportunity right now to monetize your individuality, to share your ideas, whether it's calligraphy, a podcast, a vlogging channel, a reaction channel, a gaming channel. Like, we have the means to create. And I think that you have unique power. You have an individual story a lot of people can relate to, and that would make an impact and serve your corner of the world in some really special way.